In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone. Very easy to do. So you're on your iPhone and you got your apps, you're going through and all that stuff. What you can do is swipe all the way over till you find your app library here. And let's say I want to lock this chess app up here at the top right. So what you want to do is click and hold. And you're going to have some options here. And what you can click here from this point is require Face ID. So you'll get two options. So one, you can actually hide and require the Face ID. And there's a section called hidden apps where you just wanted to hide the app for whatever reason. Or you can just lock it and just require Face ID. Both options require Face ID, but one option also gives you the option to hide it. So what we're going to do is just hit require Face ID, and it's going to check for me really quick. So the next time that you open that app, it will automatically make you choose your Face ID, and you'll be able to log into the app no problem. So that is how you would go about locking apps in your iPhone. Hope you guys found this useful and helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.